Hi students, I am Venkateswarlu. In this session, we are discussed about role of essential elements and its deficiency symptoms. So in this, number one is nitrogen. Nitrogen is one of the macro element. Total macro elements are 9: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphate, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. These 9 are macro elements. In this, nitrogen is one of the macro element. Nitrogen is available in soil to plants in 3 states, that is nitrite NO2 minus, nitrates NO3 minus, and ammonium salts, that is NH4 plus. In these 3 states, plants absorb nitrogen in the form of NO3 minus, only. Mostly plant absorb nitrates in the form of NO3 minus. Mostly plant absorb nitrogen in the form of NO3 minus. The nitrogen is required by meristematic tissues and metabolically active cells. Meristematic cells means the cells which are always undergoes cell division. Those are called meristematic tissues. So at this time it require more protein. To divide again and again. So proteins are nothing but group of amino acids with peptide bond. Each and every amino acid contains nitrogen. So nitrogen required by meristematic cells. Meristematic cells means the cells which are always undergoes cell division. At this time that cells require proteins. Proteins are nothing but group of amino acids. Each and every amino acid, it contains nitrogen in its structure. And also nitrogen is required by metabolically active cells. These cells are always involved in metabolic processes. At this time it require more proteins. So nitrogen is required. Nitrogen is the major constituents of proteins, nucleic acids, vitamins and hormones. Nitrogen is the major constituents of proteins. Proteins are nothing but group of amino acids with peptide bond. Those are called proteins. So each and every amino acid contains nitrogen in its structure. And it is a major constituents of nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are two, that is DNA and RNA. These two are nucleic acids. These are made up of polynucleotides. Nucleotides are group of sugar, nitrogen base and phosphate. In this nitrogen bases, it requires nitrogen. Nitrogen is present. So nitrogen is major constituents of proteins, nucleic acids and also vitamins and hormones. And see the deficiency symptoms of nitrogen. So to identify these deficiency symptoms in our exam point of view, by remembering requirements, we can easily identify deficiency symptoms. We already discussed requirements, where is nitrogen required. So deficiency symptom number one is stunted growth. In the absence of nitrogen or in the less availability of nitrogen, it controls the meristematic cells activity. So there is no cell division because of there is no protein, there is no energy. So automatically growth is retarded. So stunted growth is occur by the deficiency symptom of nitrogen. And delay of flowering. Flowering induces florism hormone. flourishing hormone. So deficiency symptom of nitrogen is one of the symptom is delay of flowering. And another one is most important point is chlorosis. What is the chlorosis? Chlorosis is nothing but loss of chlorophyll. Loss of chlorophyll pigment. Loss of chlorophyll pigment. It leads to yellowish color. In the structure of chlorophyll center, it contains magnesium, and surrounding these magnesium, it contains four pyrrole rings. Four pyrrole rings. Each pyrrole ring it contains nitrogen, 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 nitrogen. If deficiency of nitrogen, it leads the chlorosis. It means loss of chlorophyll pigment. Loss of chlorophyll pigment. So chlorosis means loss of chlorophyll. It leads to yellowish color. And also another deficiency symptom is premature leaf fall. And also deficiency symptom of nitrogen. It causes inhibition of cell division. Inhibition of cell division. It inhibits cell division. So it inhibits the activity of meristematic cells. So automatically cell division cannot take place because of the deficiency of nitrogen. Because of the deficiency of nitrogen. This is about nitrogen, role of nitrogen and its deficiency symptoms.